Let's learn treble crochet today, another basic stitch. Hey everyone, so to perform a treble crochet, we are gonna need to work from the fourth chain from the hook, fourth chain. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, fourth chain from the hook. Now, so when we do single crochet, we don't do yarn over, we do one yarn over while double crochet. So in treble crochet, we are going to do 2 times yarn over, 1 and 2 yarn over. Now we are going to do same thing. We are going to cross our hook from the fourth chain, then we are going to yarn over, pull through a loop. So we have 4 loops on our hook. Now we are going to perform yarn over and draw a loop from the first 2, yarn over, draw a loop from this to another 2, and yarn over, draw a loop from the remaining 2. It's like performing single crochet for 3 times. Let's look at treble crochet one more time. Yarn over twice. Now cross your hook, yarn over. We have 4, yarn over from first 2, yarn over from second 2, and yarn over from remaining 2 loops of your hook. So this is how it is. That's what I meant by in my previous video, that all the stitches are the combination of our simple basic stitches like single crochet, double crochet, treble crochet. So all the complicated stitches will come over to our crochet projects will be the combination of these stitches only. So it's like we are doing the same stitches in complicated way, but it's going to be much easier once you get the idea of how these basic stitches are getting performed. But here we are, we have already done our first row. Now we are going to turn our work just like how we did in our single crochet and double crochets. Now we are going to perform 3 chains. So 1, 2 and 3 chains. We are going to skip the first one, yarn over twice, and we are going to start working how we did for the first. So just like that, and yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So we are going to continuously work in this way. And as like our previous tutorial, we are going to again work for the 5 rows of our treble crochets to understand the texture and how treble crochet looks after 5 rows, as we have already performed 5 rows for single crochet, double crochet and treble crochet. Why I am doing this is to explain you and to make it easier to understand how it's going to look all together. So that's what I mean. I have the patches from my previous videos. So this is my single crochets. Look at that. This is the twice. Double crochets 5 stitches are 5 rows are twice. Treble crochets 5 rows are thrice. And now look at this is our treble crochets patch, right? So it's thrice the times of the size of your single crochets. It is see-through, but it's very quick to work with, of course, because it's hided, and it's something like this. I hope that's helped, and I hope these 3 patches are very much easier to understand. Bye.